What is biochemistry? Biochemistry is the branch of science that explores the chemical processes which are essential for biology and occur within living organisms. It combines principles from both biology and chemistry to understand the molecular mechanisms that underlie various biological functions and processes. At the end of this video, you will get to know about the market value, market trends, and opportunities in this field. Main areas of focus in biochemistry include the structure and function of biomolecules, such as proteins, nucleic acids, lipids, and carbohydrates. Biochemists study how these molecules interact and participate in essential processes like metabolism, cellular signaling, and the transfer of genetic information. Biochemistry helps elucidate the molecular basis of life. This knowledge is crucial for understanding diseases, preamble for developing new drugs, and advancing fields such as biotechnology and molecular biology. Biochemists use a variety of techniques, including spectroscopy, chromatography, and molecular biology tools, to explore and manipulate the complex biochemical processes occurring in living systems. The origin of biochemistry can be traced back to various historical developments and scientific breakthroughs. Carl Neuberg was a German scientist who discovered carboxylase enzyme, is known as father of modern biochemistry and the one who used this term first. The field has evolved over centuries as scientists sought to understand the chemical basis of life. Here are some key milestones in the origin and development of biochemistry. Alchemy, an ancient philosophical and proto-scientific tradition, laid the groundwork for the understanding of chemical processes. Alchemists sought to transform base metals into gold and discover the elixir of life, contributing to the exploration of various chemical reactions. Vitalism versus mechanism. During the 17th and 18th centuries, the scientific community debated the nature of life. Concept of vital force and then advent of the scientific method contributed to the shift toward a mechanistic view, laying the foundation for a more systematic study of chemical processes in living organisms. Discovery of cells by scientists like Robert Hooke and Antony van Leeuwenhoek provided a fundamental understanding of the basic structural units of living organisms and lead to the successful isolation of biological molecules. Enzyme research as catalysts for biochemical reactions gained prominence, and discovery of cell-free fermentation isolation of the first enzyme, urease, marked significant milestones in understanding the role of enzymes in biological processes. Later on, understanding the molecular basis of genetic information and the central dogma of molecular biology became crucial aspects of biochemical research. Over time, the integration of biology and chemistry has solidified biochemistry as a distinct scientific discipline. Today, biochemistry continues to evolve with ongoing discoveries and advancements in technology. Here are some new and fascinating trends in the field of biochemistry. Advances in structural biology, particularly cryo-electron microscopy, have allowed researchers to visualize biomolecular structures at higher resolutions. This has significantly contributed to understanding the three-dimensional structures of proteins, nucleic acids, and other macromolecules, aiding drug discovery and design. Biochemistry plays a crucial role in the development of medicine. Individual variations in biochemical pathways, genetic makeup, and molecular signatures are devised to tailor medical treatments to the specific needs of patients. The interdisciplinary field of synthetic biology involves the design and construction of new biological parts, devices, and systems for useful purposes. CRISPR-Cas technology is a revolution in itself. This gene editing technology has transformed biochemistry research, opening up new possibilities for studying gene function, treating genetic disorders, and developing targeted therapies. With an aging global population, biochemical research in neurodegenerative diseases, synaptic function, and brain health is expanding. As environmental concerns grow, biochemistry is playing a role in developing sustainable solutions. This includes bio-based materials, green chemistry practices, and the use of enzymes and microorganisms for eco-friendly industrial processes. Understanding of molecular processes that occur within living organisms. Graduates learn about the structure and function of biomolecules such as proteins, nucleic acids, lipids, and carbohydrates. Cellular biology graduates gain insights into cellular biology, learning about the structure and function of cells, cellular organelles, and the regulation of cellular processes. Graduates learn how enzymes function, the factors affecting their activity, and their importance in various physiological processes. Genetic information and DNA structure. Graduates gain a comprehensive understanding of genetic information, DNA structure, and the central dogma of molecular biology. Metabolism and energy pathways covers metabolic pathways and energy transformations within cells. Graduates learn about processes such as glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation, providing insights into how cells generate and utilize energy. Techniques in laboratory research. Graduates acquire practical skills in laboratory techniques, including molecular cloning, protein purification, gel electrophoresis, chromatography, and various spectroscopic methods along with biochemical tests. These skills are applicable in industry at large. Biochemistry is a dynamic field that often involves cutting-edge technologies. Graduates become comfortable with advanced laboratory equipment and molecular biology tools. This is reported that global healthcare is a multi-trillion-dollar industry where biochemistry is an essential component. According to an estimation, biochemical market size is projected to reach $149.19 billion by 2030 and growing at a CAGR of 10.31% from 2023 to 2030, which is a tremendous growth rate. Research and academia. Biochemists find opportunities in academic institutions and research organizations, conducting basic and applied research. The demand for skilled researchers is high in areas such as molecular biology, genetics, and drug discovery. Healthcare and clinical laboratories. Clinical biochemists and medical laboratory scientists contribute to healthcare by analyzing patient samples, conducting diagnostic tests, and interpreting results in all hospitals. The demand for clinical biochemists remains always high in hospitals, clinics, and diagnostic laboratories. Biomedical engineering. The intersection of biochemistry and engineering in fields like biomedical engineering creates demand for professionals who can apply biochemical principles to develop medical devices, prosthetics, and biocompatible materials. Environmental and industrial applications. Biochemistry is increasingly applied to address environmental challenges and develop sustainable solutions. Food and agriculture. Graduates of biochemistry are needed in food production, quality control, and the development of biofortified crops. The agri-food industry hires biochemists for roles related to food safety, nutrition, and crop improvement. Data science and bioinformatics. The increasing reliance on big data in life sciences is likely to create demand for biochemists with expertise in systems biology. Global events have highlighted the importance of public health and pandemic preparedness. Biochemists may find opportunities in research and development related to infectious diseases, vaccines, and public health initiatives. Most important advantage of being biochemist is an access to various industries, especially healthcare industry, academia, and research centers. Last but not least, choosing the field is not an easy decision where brainstorming on your own interest, preliminary skills, passion, and patience are very necessary ingredients required. It is your right to know well before choosing any discipline as a career. The scope of every field depends on the quality time you invest to improve and establish in that discipline or field and to the extent you reach in that particular field. Biochemistry offers new college graduates a rewarding and promising career path with diverse opportunities for growth and impact. By acquiring interdisciplinary skills, staying abreast of market trends, and leveraging emerging technologies, graduates can carve out successful careers in biochemistry and contribute to advancing our understanding of the living world while addressing critical and clinical challenges. Hope this will help you to understand at a glance and assist you in choosing this discipline. Thank you for accompanying us on this enlightening voyage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more enlightening updates.